Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, dozens of residents from Frankfield in Clarendon marched in protest against the suspected rape and killing of an elderly citizen in the community last month.
They're vowing to seek justice for 64-year-old Hyacinth Johnson, otherwise called Miss June.
Jamila Maitland has details.
Justice for June! We want justice! We want justice!
Clad in red for urgency and with placards hoisted like pitchforks, Justice for June echoed through the community of Frankfield in Clarendon. The march began in Union, where she lived, to Grantham, with residents turning their grief into action.
Justice! 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 Justice!
The peace was shattered in the quiet farming community last Wednesday when the police found the body of 64-year-old Hyacinth Johnson, otherwise called Miss June. Miss June, who lived alone, was a devout Christian. She was last seen alive less than 24 hours by neighbors before the gruesome discovery. When she missed prayer service Tuesday night, church members grew suspicious. Miss June was found in the nude with several stab wounds to her upper body.
If there's anybody who would have seen something, right, observed something out of place, to just ask them to just cooperate with the police. Right? Because we have the strong suspicion that whoever perpetrated this crime is familiar with this community.
Deputy Superintendent Kevin Brown says 2 people were initially questioned in relation to Miss June's death. The officer is urging the community to allow the police to thoroughly conduct its investigations.
We have taken 2 persons in custody, all right, but there was not insufficient evidence to pin those persons to the crime. We have since taken another person into custody. So we're just asking you to just allow the police to carry the investigation. But let me also hasten to caution you though, having a person in custody doesn't mean that they are guilty of the crime.
The residents are refusing to allow Miss June's death to pass quietly. She was described as helpful, kind, and a spirited elderly woman by the community. And although they're mourning Miss June, they say the handwritten placards demanding accountability is for every woman who deserves to live without fear.
It can happen to any one of us. It can be on any one of us doorstep. So we have to come together to prevent it from coming on our doorstep.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.